Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to write answers for the chapter Locating Places on Earth. In last video, we have learned everything about chapter Locating Places on Earth. Introduction. What is social science? Question MCQ 1 mark. Which of the following describes the focus of social science? A. To study set procedures and fixed results. B. To understand our world and human societies in particular. C. To invent new chemical formulas. D. To study only the movement of stars. Answer B. To understand our world and human societies in particular. Question True-false 1 mark. Social science is exactly the same as physics or chemistry because it uses fixed results. Answer False. Social science is not like physics or chemistry because human societies are too diverse and complex to allow for set procedures and fixed results. Question Fill in the blanks 1 mark. In the middle stage of education, social science is organized into 5 broad dash. Answer themes. Question Short answer 2 marks. Why is social science compared to an exploration and an adventure? Answer It is an exploration because it helps us make sense of the present by using the past. It is an adventure because it prepares us for a better future by solving challenges facing humanity. Full stop. Maps and their components. Question 1 word answer 1 mark. What is a book or collection of maps called? Answer Atlas. Question MCQ 1 mark. Which component of a map allows a huge place to fit on a small piece of paper? A. Direction. B. Symbols. C. Scale. D. Color. Answer C. Scale. Question Short answer 2 marks. Name the 3 important components of maps. Answer Distance, represented by scale. Direction, using cardinal and intermediate points. Symbols, representing various features. Question Difference-based 3 marks. Distinguish between physical, political and thematic maps. Answer Physical maps mainly show natural features such as mountains, oceans and rivers. Political maps show details of countries or states, boundaries and cities. Thematic maps provide a specific kind of information such as rainfall or road maps. Question Reason-based 3 marks. Why does the Survey of India fix a specific set of symbols for maps of India? Answer To ensure there is enough space on maps of large cities or countries to represent various features. To allow numerous details to be shown clearly in a limited space. To make maps more easily understood by a variety of users through a standardized system. Question Application-based 3 marks. A student is drawing a map of a playground, 40 meters in length and 30 meters in width, using a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 10 meters. What will be the map's dimensions? Answer For the length, 40 meters divided by 10 meter per centimeter equal to 4 centimeter. For the width, 30 meters divided by 10 meter per centimeter equal to 3 centimeter. The student should draw a rectangle that is 4 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide. Now topic 2. Mapping the Earth and the globe. Question 1 word answer 1 mark. Who stated around 500 CE that the Earth is spherical? Answer Aryabhata. Question Reason-based 3 marks. Why is it impossible to represent a sphere accurately on a flat sheet of paper? Answer Our planet nearly has the shape of a sphere, slightly flattened at the poles. A sphere cannot be flattened without tearing the edges. This is best understood through the orange peel example, where pieces of peel cannot be flattened on a table without tearing. Question Short answer 2 marks. Why is a globe considered a better representation of Earth than a flat map? Answer Because the globe and the Earth have the same spherical shape.
It allows us to represent Earth's geography without the distortion caused by flattening a sphere onto paper.
Topic 3. Coordinates, latitudes and longitudes. Question. MCQ 1 mark. Which of the following is the largest circle of latitude on Earth? A. North Pole. B. Arctic Circle. C. Equator. D. South Pole. Answer. C. Equator. Question. Fill in the blanks 1 mark. The combination of latitudes and longitudes creates a dash for the globe. Answer. Grid. Question. Assertion reason 2 marks. Assertion A. The climate around the equator is generally hot. Reason R. This region is also called the torrid zone. Answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of E. Latitude is connected to climate and the region near latitude 0 degrees, equator, is known for its torrid climate. Question. Case-based 5 marks. A player is recording moves on a chessboard. They move a pawn from D2 to D4. Explain how this system relates to locating places on Earth. Answer. Coordinate system. Just like the chessboard uses letters A to H and numbers 1 to 8 to identify squares, Earth uses a system of coordinates. 2 values. The chessboard needs 2 values, letter and number, to find a square. Earth needs 2 values, latitude and longitude, to locate a place. Precision. This system allows any point on the globe to be precisely determined. Grid lines. The combination of latitudes and longitudes on a map works exactly like the grid on a chessboard. Real-world example. For instance, Delhi can be located at 29 degrees north latitude and 77 degrees east longitude because of these intersecting lines. Topic 4. Ancient Indian Astronomy. Question. 1-word answer. 1 mark. What city served as a reputed center for astronomy and the ancient Indian prime meridian? Answer. Ujjaini, modern Ujjain. Question. Short answer. 2 marks. What was the ancient Indian prime meridian called and which famous astronomer worked on it? Answer. It was called Madhya Rekha, middle line. The famous astronomer Varaha Mihira worked there about 1500 years ago. Topic 5. Understanding time zones. Question. MCQ 1 mark. The Earth rotates 360 degrees every 24 hours. How many degrees does it rotate in 1 hour? A. 10 degrees. B. 15 degrees. C. 20 degrees. D. 45 degrees. Answer. B. 15 degrees. Question. Fill in the blanks. 1 mark. Indian Standard Time, IST, is dash hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time? Answer. 5.5 or 5 hours 30 minutes. Question long answer. 5 marks. Explain why the time and date change as we travel across the world. Answer. Rotation. The Earth rotates eastward, making a full 360-degree turn every 24 hours. Local time. This means every 15 degrees of longitude corresponds to a 1-hour difference in local time. East versus west. Moving eastward from the prime meridian, 0 degrees, we add 1 hour for every 15 degrees. Moving westward, we subtract 1 hour. Standard time. To avoid confusion within a country, most nations adopt a standard time based on a central meridian. International date line. At approximately 180 degrees longitude, the date changes. Crossing it westward adds a day, while crossing it eastward subtracts a day. Topic 6. The International Date Line. Question. True-false. 1 mark. The International Date Line is a perfectly straight line following the 180-degree meridian. Answer. False. It deviates in places to avoid dividing countries into 2 different days.